If your HP all-in-one model ms227 comes up with a operating system missing error, chances are it is your hard drive. To locate your hard drive, come over here on this side and it shows you the hard drive logo. There's this rubber tab here. There's one screw here. You remove it and this slides forward. Then you have this screw here. You take and you remove it. To remove the hard drive, take a hold of your slide thing here, the handle, and slide it out this way. And you'll be able to lift it up and pull it out. Now it has a 320 gigabyte hard drive that you can replace it with. And be careful not to damage your Sata connection. So when you get back and you put it back in there, make sure it's connected all the way to the right. Put your screw back down and make sure you put your lever arm back down this way. Otherwise, this casing here won't fit right like that. Let's show you an example. It's not fitting right. So, keep that in the idea. Put your screw back up there. Reinstall your operating system and then you're done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.